my. We're in the key of B. We're in the key of B. Under the Blood by Slim and the Supreme Angels. We're gonna do Under the Blood. This song it's gonna take us to church. All right. Now if you don't know what that means, taking you to church, that's when you're staying heavy on stuff and it ain't got no tempo. I'm gonna stay under the blood. We're gonna learn how to play along with that. So I want you to stay tuned with me. We got the Telecaster here today, man. I had to pull this thing out. Y'all tell me what kind of guitar you playing with? What you playing with? It don't matter the brand. Just tell me what style. You got a Telecaster, you got a Strat, are you playing a Les Paul style? What style guitar you playing? Acoustic? Let me know what y'all playing. I want to know what my family got, what the community got, what everybody playing with. I know most of you guys probably got more than one. If you like me, it's hard for you to choose. So I chose the Telecaster here today. But today we're gonna go over. So real quick, I just want to go over some of the chords that we'll be using. So that way you'll know the chords, and when I call them out, you'll be able to get to them a little bit faster. Listen, if you gotta practice these chords and then come back to the lesson and play, that's fine. If you gotta pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever you have to do, take this time right now to go ahead before you tune up, or as you're tuning up, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button on this video, and like I said, join me in the comments. That's my little commercial break right there. So we're gonna be in the key of B. We're gonna be in the key of B today. So we'll need to know the chords that we're gonna be using here, because there are a couple of strange ones, or some that's maybe out of the ordinary for some people. So we're gonna be in the key of B. So B is gonna be our 1, okay? All right. What we're gonna be using the B. We're gonna be using the 5, which is gonna be this F dominant 7. If you're gonna play the major 7, that's fine. It'll work too. It'll work. But that dominant 7 is gonna sound good. We're gonna use the 4, which is an E major. Excuse me, that's an F sharp dominant 7. If I said F, sometimes I do crazy stuff like that. That's that E major. When we go to the 3, which is normally a minor, we're actually sometimes we're gonna play it dominant. You might hear dominant. Or mostly what I hear is a minor 7 flat 5. Okay, so it's kind of diminished in a way. We'll play the 2 a little bit, which is a C sharp minor 7. What else? The G sharp minor 7, which is the 6. We're gonna do some stuff like that. And so let's dig into it, okay? Let's dig into it. I'm trying to think, should we do the song structure? I tell you what, because it's slower, we're gonna do the no tempo first. We're gonna play along no tempo first, and then we'll get into the actual progression of the song, because actually the song tempo with no tempo, or the taking them to church part, is gonna give us our structure. All right, it's gonna give us our pattern. It's just gonna give it to us in a different tempo. All right, so let's do this. Let's get this started. Y'all ready? Y'all tuned up? Look, I want to remind you, listen, if we get ahead of you, it's okay to pause. It's okay to rewind. It's okay. I don't like it when y'all fast forward, but it's okay if you have to fast forward. You know, if you gotta go back and forth, it's all right, man. But listen, I'm just glad you're here right now, okay? Hopefully this helps. Let's see. So we are gonna be starting in the key of B. We're gonna be starting on the 1, which is the B. Right there. Stay on it. Listen for it to move. That's it. That's the 5. Listen. That's our 4. Can you hear the That's that 5. Back to the 1. That was a roundabout. We just went through it. Still on the one. Listen. You don't. You can hit some licks. Back to the one. Listen. I keep saying listen. That's a 5-2. All right, we finna get into the song. We on the one. That's the B. That's the 5. Staying on the 5. That's the 1. That's a 7. That's the 4. B. A classic turnaround. Now they finna bounce. They finna bounce. So I want you to listen. Those are the notes we're hearing. Listen. 2-5-1. We're just doing the 2-5-1 to go back to the top. So I gotta explain this. So now this the vamp of the song. So now we stay in the same way. The rest of the song is the same all the way through. But you hear that? And if you'll notice the minor though, it don't really sound right. You know, it just. The minor, it really don't sound right. It really don't sound right. Now, if we play the dominant, it get closer, and it can actually be an option for us. It can actually be an option for us. Hear that? That's something you can do all that or there's 2-5-1s, and then this is actually the 6, 5, or you can do 6, 5, and those are but back to, I got distracted. But I'm telling you, this minor 7 flat 5. Oh, that fit perfect, don't it? See, I hit the 5 to get back to the 1 then. I went to the 2, that's 2. Oh, you can go. That's a B2. Mix it up. Oh, that sound good. what you need right now. I'm trying to tell you right now. I'm trying to tell you that's good stuff. Jesus' blood. Oh, I need you. I need you. Oh, don't listen. Stay right there. Stay right there. All of this, you would use G sharp. All that. You can use that same pattern on top of. We can play the E minor pentatonic as well. Ooh, let's play that. Let's play with that. Let's play with that. Hold on. Let's play some lead on time. There's power in one note. Woo! Something like that. Listen, y'all, thank y'all for joining me, man. I hope that helps you out. This was a special request from my friend, and he was patiently waiting. And he was watching. He was patiently waiting. But listen, thank you all for joining me. Thank you all for being here. I hope this blesses you. I hope this helps you on your way to playing guitar, gospel guitar. This is Quartet guitar. Oh my goodness, man. And it ain't always got to have a drive in it, right? It ain't always have a drive. I mean, that's good right there.